Hi everybody, my name is Umwari Marie-Aimée, but you can call me Bijoux. So I would like to teach you Rwandan traditional dance. Hope you guys will enjoy. In the last video, I taught you 3 basic steps that you can do to know how to dance Rwandan culture. Now I'm going to teach you 2 more steps so that you can improve your dance. So let's start.
Hey guys, Theo here. Just wanted to let you know that I have started a GoFundMe page to be able to open a gym next year in Rwanda. Come and check it out. You can support me by as little as €5 or just by sharing the page. It is linked below this video and at the end of the video. Murakoze cyane. Back to you, Bijoux.
First, I'm going to explain 2 steps that I'm going to teach you. The first step is umushagiriro for girls only. A slow movement with smiling and this is the second one. For the first step, I'm going to teach you. The third, for the first step. The fourth. For the last, you turn and you do gutega amaboko. Your arms come slowly till it goes down. Then you stop by here, like this. So this is called umushanana. They use it while they are dancing the first step I taught you. So I'm going to remove it because it is not needed in the second step. Second step, I'm going to show you inhwatwa, the dance called inhwatwa, but I'm going to teach you what we call guchurira. It's ichumu, guchurira ichumu. So now we are going to see umushagiriro. It has 7 steps. First step is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. The second is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. The third is 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. The fourth is ta, 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 ta. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, go. 1, 2, go. 1, 2, go. For the fifth step is we are going to turn around. Ta. You turn around, ta, ta, ta. This is the 6th. Ta, gutega amaboko, ta, 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 ta. The last, you lower your arms without stepping slowly. Ta, 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 but with the beat. Ta, ta. And then you end up like this.
Because this is a video for beginners, we are going to focus only on the footwork. Feel free to copy Bijoux' arm work if you're at that level. Let's go.
So we start like this. Chan, 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 cha, chan, cha, 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 chan, 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 cha, chan, cha, 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 chan, 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 cha, chan, cha, 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 chan, 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 cha, chan, cha, cha, cha. And then you end up.
This is how you end the dance.
And then you end up. Chan cha, chan cha, cha, chan chan cha. Chan cha. You do 2 times. Chan cha, chan 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 cha. The 3rd, you stop. Guys, thank you for watching. We dance in the same dance group called Inhawe Nakata Troupe. If you like to learn Rwandan traditional dance, you can contact us on the links below the video. Thank you.
Love you, turabakunda cyane.
Mbega rwageze bigarama bagara mu murenzo ku Rwanda bizo mutwe tangira muze ngabo yanze gushira amakenga ati ndi nkera yabeza. Atoni cyogere mu kuba ntagome ntabazanyira icyubahiro mu iko. Nimu bitoro taganira barota byengenzi bari man babo batabaza gushaka kutagira imbe umuntu. Yego ye. Aha. Hari hebe, hari hebe, hari nyange zirusha kwera, hari nyamibwa yakuze neza, mwini wacu baragushaka. Izere sinde ya mwiza, uw'imico myiza idasanzwe, iwe nyabusumba zipfura intege, bwiza bwanyu ndutira buhuse. Hari hebe, hari hebe, hari nyange zirusha kwera, hari nyamibwa yakuze neza, mwini wacu baragushaka. Ngwino se nyamuseka zigashoka, iyiziye bibero by'uruyumbu, ari hebu wantwaye umutima, ngwino nyabusa nkugabire gaju. Ndaje ngusanga,